Hi everyone, it's Sandhya. Good morning to you. Still morning. It's 11:38. It's not afternoon yet. Oh, what a night. Oh my goodness. So, I don't know what was going on last night, but there was so much energy around and I had a hard time falling asleep. So, I went with the flow of it. I was up until 4. Um, And I think there was a lot of work being done, a lot of things being resolved because there were just a lot of releasing. Um, and so even the body was feeling the releases and letting it go. So this morning I woke up early because I had a call to be on and went into spiritual practice, took a shower, did what I needed to do. And I feel, even though I only got like 5 hours of sleep, well, sleep at 4 o'clock, got up at 8:30. So 4.5 hours of sleep. Okay, let's not get too technical. But anyway, um, I feel good. So that's the most important thing right now. I am aligned to my zero field. I'm neutral. And I just feel like this full moon is coming at a good time. It's on August 3rd. And I did get 4 cards for the reading just now. So here we go. The I Am deck. This is the energy that's happening today. I am one with the beloved in my heart. So I am doing a lot of healing around the self-love, self-respect, self self-worth. So that's beautiful that came in because I'm feeling a lot of self-love right now and just wanting to hug myself and just wanting to just being in my own energy. I am a clear channel for spirit. Yeah, I do feel that. I feel really clear. I feel aligned to neutrality and I feel like connecting with Source and Mother Earth and higher self. It's just, I'm getting messages. I'm seeing what work needs to get done. Whether or not I'm doing it, I'm still just trying to work and release and work and release. So I'm hoping this sound this morning is really going to help out. But I do feel like my energy has become unstuck. Like there's a lot that's being released even now. Been doing cleaning, been clearing clutter. I still have more clutter to clear, but as I'm doing it, I feel like more and more is opening up. So that's really good. We have energy expansion. So we're expanding all of this energy out. And my vision is clear and focused. So in my now, yes, for sure, my vision is clear and focused because I concentrate on what's coming up in my now and I focus on that. So today is about going with the flow. And I have a lot of appointments today, things to do, people that I'm connecting with. But it feels like it was meant to be this way. And now shuffling the Gaia cards. But feeling a lot of self-love and allowing receiving and giving to happen. So, and it doesn't feel hard to do that. It actually feels easy and flowing. So I'm also doing work today. So I am starting my SSHA 21-day healing grief and loss group. And it's program 3. So I've done program 1 and program 2. And now I'm working on the videos for program 3 in the group page. So if any of you are interested, just look up SSHA 21-day group healing grief and loss, and I'll let you in. So we're starting today, and we have 13 more lessons or practices to go through. And then for the other 8 days at the end, we'll be doing Gaia pulls and I am deck pulls specifically for that group and for the energy that's coming up. Because as we do the 55 practices for, oops, we're using the deck by David Kessler, which has 55 practices for healing grief. And we're just picking from the deck and moving through each practice and doing writing and connecting into our energy and then doing some sound healing around it. So it's really been helpful because, as you all know, or you may not know, my dad died last year in April. And it's been, when I originally started doing these healing grief and loss programs, the program 1 and the program 2, it was in the middle of program 2 where I actually felt I could release my grieving path for my dad, and actually even for my mom as well. And so it's really helped me to connect in and really do a lot of inner child work and doing lots of things to clear out my energy. And what I can say is I feel very grateful for the experience of having my mother and my father. Despite the childhood, despite all the, memories of the bad things. But you take the lessons and you keep those, and you can actually release those memories. So I can honestly say, thinking of my mother and father, those things that used to trigger me before no longer trigger me in the same way. So it's been really a good experience for me. And I'm just very grateful that it came into my energy to do it this way. And I'll be offering it as a 21-day sound session program. And, if you're interested, I'll have it up in like another month or so on my page in the shop. And And I mean, I can sell each of them separately, so you can go through it as you wish. And then there'll also be a way to get it all in one at a lower price. So look for that in September. That should be coming out. I'm also going to be releasing healing, 21-day healing, stress, anxiety, and stress and anxiety. I think that's what it is. So I don't know. I'm feeling very easy, and I'm not describing everything in a full way, but I'm just, wow. I feel like there's so much coming into my mind right now. Like I'm getting messages even now about the work that I'm doing and what I have to do this week. And it's all like coming into my mind, and I need to let that go. So I'm letting it go right now because, and that's probably why I'm not able to bring up any cards for this reading. Oh, Sandy, you're being authentic. Ooh, baby, you're being really, really authentic. And you're letting your child get away with it. Play, play, play. Let's see. So, just some ideas that have been brought into my mind. August, the month of 8, and 8 also represents infinity. So it's a good month to be creative. There's a lot of powerful energy. And I've been looking into the astrology of it all, been reading up. And it's just such a powerful month. So if you do get the chance, it's beautiful in terms of what's coming up. So full moon tomorrow, and then the Lionsgate portal on the 8th. So 8/8 is the Lionsgate portal. And that's even going to be even more releasing. So full moons allow you the opportunity to release energy. So you're releasing, it's a release mode for you, for all of us. And that's amazing. But then in the 8/8 portal, you know, you get to release even more because we're still in the full moon cycle. And then you get to, with the power of the energy of Leo, we get to really be creative and bring in some creativity and spark ourselves into new energy, new beginnings, new things to come in. As we spark ourselves, we bring ourselves into the new moon energy. And that's where we can really transform and create. So on the 18th, I believe that's the new moon. And that should be powerful and beautiful. And it should be really great. And now I feel like I'm aligned and balanced to my energy. Let's see what's coming up. Let's see. Okay, so we're getting a full-on reading here for the Gaia cards. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we had 4 in the other, and now we have 5. Oh, these are all upside down. Okay, so Sacred Earth Mother, a message of love, and it's number 42. That's beautiful. Sacred journey. Wow. Seeing a lot of hearts. This is life cycles, family transformation. Beautiful. Because I'm working on transforming a lot of my relationships. Eternal dance. That's just so beautiful. And this is movement, wheel of life, path of least resistance. Bring me some of that. Yes, please. Oh, this is gorgeous. Ocean of eternal love. And that is healing, creativity, fertility. And that card is number 44. And for eternal dance, that card is number 19. And for the sacred journey, that card is number 22. And the last card, the search. Wow, that's beautiful too. Feeling lost, confused, lonely, and that's card number 6. So let me just read this out to you, and then we'll go into the sound. So the first card, Sacred Earth Mother, card number 42. Go in. Okay. A message of love. We travel the endless corridors of our mind until one day we find a pathway that leads us to our heart. Who you truly are has nothing to do with your personality or your achievements, successes, or failures. The you think you are is an actor playing a role that your soul has chosen. The essence of you is soul, light with no beginning or end. You are an eternal spark of pure creativity, unlimited potential that yearns to be expressed and fulfilled. Your potential is your destiny. It awaits your call. Trust your heart and apply its love and wisdom to all you do. In this way, all you create or do will be a true expression of your soul. It is through expressing your truth that you create things of lasting value. Be true to you. And here is the affirmation. And I'll say it now. I am in essence light. I am in essence soul. I am pure creative potential. I am guided by my heart. I apply love and wisdom to all I say and do. So that's card 42. Next card is card 22, the Sacred Journey. And here we go. Life cycles, family transformation. Life is a physical journey through time and space, yet it is also a spiritual journey that transcends both time and space. Physically, we are born of the earth, and to the earth we shall return. Yet spiritually, we are never born and we never die. We never come and we never leave. This card reminds you that we are each so much more than our physical realities. In fact, from our soul's perspective, this current life is just one page in a never-ending book, which is the eternal story of life. We are all characters in a play, and we each have chosen different roles. Your family is a central part of this journey. Each member plays their respective roles, each member your co-star and partner. Each play is designed for maximum dramatic effect, otherwise it would all get very boring. In effect, we are all actors and we are each required to play our roles well. It is through our human drama we expand our understanding of love. The different roles we play and the people we encounter help us grow. Through drama, we come to understand just how sacred life is. Thank your soul for the journey. So here's the affirmation. And I'll say it out loud. The role I play in this life is transient. I am in essence a being of light. My family members are some of my greatest teachers. All human drama helps me expand my awareness of love. My soul is not confined by time and space. That's beautiful. Next card is Eternal Dance, number 19. And we'll get there. Movement, Wheel of Life, the path of least resistance. The lady featured on this card feels completely at one with nature. She is in tune with the rhythm of the earth and her changing cycles. She does not resist the forces of nature, but moves gracefully with the wind. Yet through her body, Yet through her body sways with the wind. She is not swayed from her path, for her feet are firmly planted in the earth. She remains poised, dignified, and balanced. She has shown up in your reading today to help you loosen up and feel the rhythm of life. You will benefit greatly if you allow yourself to be a bit more flexible. Be open to new ideas, accept that it is natural for things to change. Do not resist life's natural flow. If the path you're on seems to be all uphill, then find another way. There are many ways to get to where you want to go, so find the way that offers the least resistance. Life does not need to be as difficult as you are making it. It is often easier to dance your way through rather than to try and push your way through. Try it. Oh, wow. Am I feeling this card right now? Because I need to figure out a way to dance my way through this instead of pushing. I need to take the path of least resistance. And that's why this is turning into a self-care day. Okay, here we go. Affirmation, in case you want it. And I'll say it out loud. I accept change and embrace the new possibilities it brings. I am flexible and open to new ideas. I create pleasure in my life. I look at life from a balanced perspective. I celebrate life and dance my way through it. I love that. And that just felt like it was opening stuff in my solar plexus. So, wow. Okay, here we go. Card number 44, Ocean of Eternal Love. Oh, wow. This is nice. Healing, creativity, fertility. It is said that love conquers all. This is especially true for you at the moment. Something is resolved and healed through love. What was previously barren now becomes fertile. A seed is planted and you are the co-creator. The conditions are favorable, the timing is right. A new creation awaits you. The birth of something new brings joy and excitement. The forever changing seasons of eternity turn their invisible wheel and a new cycle begins. A new image is born. Oh. And that also opens up. Here's the affirmation. That's opening up my root and my sacral chakra. Okay, affirmation. Love heals. Love brings resolution. Love conquers. Love creates. Love is eternal. That just opened up my heart. Oh, I'm feeling good right now, which is very good. Okay, number 6, the search. Feeling lost, confused, lonely. The days of our lives are forever changing, just like the 4 seasons of nature. Spring follows summer, then comes autumn and winter, and then the cycle starts once again. At present, you are symbolically experiencing a winter season. Life seems dreary, and it feels as if everything has come to a halt. You may be feeling a sense of loneliness and confusion, and it feels like you have lost your way. Searching for answers that do not appear to come, wanting to know why, and yearning for new inspirations. When will your passion and excitement for life return? The answer to your question is soon. Without a doubt, spring always follows winter. Look at the lady on this card. Notice how she looks out to the horizon, searching and yearning, unaware that the first rays of sunlight are just beginning to glow from behind her. Very soon now, the light will shine upon you, and a new cycle will begin, full of new ideas, new inspirations, perhaps even a new love of some kind. That's beautiful. So, do you see how all these cards in unison are actually discussing the change that's going to be happening in the next couple of days, right? We were just talking about the Lion's Gate. And we are going to go through a full moon tomorrow. And I believe it's coming in at around 11:59 a.m. Eastern Time is what I got. I looked it up. So it is like right at the time before the sun goes into the peak of its day. So that's when it's going to be so powerful, and you'll be able to release all this old dreary stuff. So let's do the affirmation before I forget, and then you'll be wanting to read the affirmation and not have it. So let's just do it. All is well in my life. I give thanks for the changing seasons. In solitude, I grow stronger and wiser. My mind is clear. My heart is open. I'm always on the right path. So that card is talking about a changing cycle. And when we're going through things and releasing the older cycle, that's where this is happening. So the full moon is going to allow us to release and then bring in all the new things that we may want to start researching and bringing in. And we're surrounded in love and light. And it's just reminding us that we're doing this eternal dance, that we're here on earth, and we're playing our parts. And just realize that our family is here to help teach us. And there are some of our family members are our greatest teachers. The sacred journey, this is what we're on. We're on the sacred journey of finding out about our own life cycles and who we are. And we're always connected to the sacred earth with love. And she always grounds us and loves us. So beautiful reading. And just reminding you that we're one with the beloved in our heart. And the beloved can be you. You are your own beloved, as well as having a beloved. You're a clear channel for spirit. And your vision is clear and focused. So we are kind of set. We know what we're going to be doing in the next couple of days. And we want to use the energy of the Lion's Gate to really help us. Um, and so what I'm going to do right now is get my handheld bowl, and we're going to do some sound. So for those of you who are driving and operating heavy machinery, please listen to the sound later. The rest of us, please start grounding into Mother Earth, bringing your higher self into your heart, connecting with Source, connecting with any of the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters that you work with, bringing them in, surrounding you in love, light, and support as you're doing this work, so you feel their energy. And just balance your energy to the zero field in your body, which is right behind your navel, right in the center of your body. Just balance your energy and then balance your energy bodies. Send that balanced energy out into your aura and your auric container and your auric energy field. And even as we've connected through this container, this is what I've already done. And feel yourself doing this for yourself with your own energy, aligning into balanced energy into your personal environmental space and releasing anyone else's energy that's in your personal environmental space and sending that energy back to them at the same speed spin, in the same direction that it was sent to you. Send it back to them. And just see all of your energy in your container, in your field, and in your physical body, just balancing and aligning to your zero field, your still point. And from that point, we're just going to do some sounds. So sit back and relax. And remember that it's in the silence after the sound that you'll receive the messages from your teams that you work with, from Source, from Mother Earth. Thank you to Mother Earth. Thank you to the gods, goddesses, angels, archangels, guardians, guides, ascended masters that we work with. Love and support us. We say thank you, thank you, thank you. Amen. Jai Bhagwan. And so it is. And let's start wiggling our fingers and our toes and coming back into the room that we're in. Feeling into our bodies and start slightly stretching, relieving any part of the body that wants to move, allowing movement and feeling in and taking some deep breaths and putting your palms over your eyes and just warming your face and your eyes to the palms of your hands, expressing love to the eyes. And start opening your eyes with your palms still over your hands. And then allow them to come down. And before we end, I will say all my energy back to me, all your energy back to you. We are in our sacred spaces and places and time and dimension, and we are disconnected. And I hope you have a wonderful, relaxing Sunday. And I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.